Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about delete, truncate and drop statement in SQL. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. First we will set up an employee table by inserting 3 records into the table. Let us understand the difference between delete, drop and truncate. Let us run select star from employee to see records inside the employee table. As we can see, the employee table is empty. Now we will insert some records inside the employee table. So let's write insert into employee values employee ID as 1, name of the employee John. Then for the date of joining we will use default date by using the inbuilt function getDate, and the department is IT. Now we want to insert multiple values, so we can do that just by adding multiple set of values separated by commas. So let me copy and modify these values. Becca and Ryan, change the department for Becca to CS and change the employee IDs as it is the primary key. Let's run this query. Now run select query. As you can see, we have total 3 values now. Employee ID 1 John, 2 is Becca and 3 is Ryan. Now let us first start with delete query. Okay, so delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 1. This will delete only one record who has the employee ID 1. Let's run the delete query. Okay, successful, and let's run the select star from employee query again. The record with employee ID 1 has been deleted, and now we have 2 values inside the employee table. Now let us use the truncate query to delete all the records from the employee table. So we can write truncate table employee. Let's run the truncate query. It's successfully executed, and run the select query again. As you can see, we have deleted all the records, but the table still exists in the database. Only all the records have been deleted. Now we will run drop query to delete the entire table from database. Drop table employee. Let's run this query. Now I'm trying to select star from employee, but it is not showing any results and giving me error saying invalid object name employee. So as you can see in the Explorer that the database company does not have the employee table anymore. So now we have seen the difference between delete, truncate and drop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.